Hello! Welcome to our series of lesson ideas for music educators. Learn how to make the most out of Flat for Education to create engaging lessons. If you haven't tried Flat for Education yet, what are you waiting for? Unlock your education superpower by signing up now and get a 3-month free trial. Today, let's talk about composition assignments for younger or beginner students. In this video, we'll share with you a few different ways you can use Flat for Education to develop your students' musical curiosity through composition assignments. Hey, now that we are here, what if you subscribe to our channel? You will show us your support while getting great content. The first assignment idea is to make your students write words with notes. First of all, ask your students to pick 3 words. All letters must be included in the musical alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. From the composition assignments, create a blank score with your students and set the template to show colored notes. By the way, color is a helpful tool when teaching music literacy and developing music reading skills, especially in younger students. Now, have your students input 1 word per measure. The second assignment idea is to find the missing notes. Pick a song your students know and that you have discussed in class. For this video, we'll choose Ode to Joy. Create a template where you write the notes as well as their letter names that will be written below. Remove notes and replace them with rests. Make sure to leave the letter name below. Ask your students to write the missing notes in the staff to replace the rests. If you want to make the assignment more challenging, you can remove the letter names and have your students place the right note by ear. The third assignment we are sharing with you is all about teaching students to read and write notes and get familiar with the placement on the staff. Create a composition assignment and share it with your students. You can limit the toolsets if desired. Project the score you want your students to copy on your classroom's board. Discuss this piece with your students and expand on the relevant musical concepts. We hope these assignments have given you ideas on how to use Flat for Education with beginner or younger students. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know if you have any questions.